So I have known Jay over 15 years, about 18 years. He has taken care of my family on several different properties. So recently we had him out at a project where we just bought a 100-year-old house, and there wasn't enough air conditioning to go through the entire house and keep it all cool and up to date. This is a family home, something that we're going to use as a homestead, something for me, something for my daughter and her kids to grow old in. So they put in split air conditioner units, but what was really unique was that this house, since it's 100 years old, is angles on the roof. Every room has different angles, and so they really had to be creative on where they placed these split units. And the roof was really high, so they had to lug all the materials up there. And then not only did they get that all in, but they made it look aesthetically pleasing, so it wasn't an eyesore to the neighborhood, and our house looks great on the outside. So now everybody has air conditioning, heat, everything that they need up there. It's a comfortable home, and we love it, and we're very grateful for him.